Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am happy.
How was your day?
My day was good.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free.
You ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you tired?
Yes, a little tired.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like football.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends.
Do you like learning?
Yes, I like learning.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, every day.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, I do.
Do you take a bath?
Yes, I take a bath.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat.
Bread and eggs.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
How do you go to school?
I go by bus. Do you like your school?
Yes, I like it.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is John.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I study daily.
Do you do homework?
Yes, I do homework.
Do you play games?
Yes,
What is your favorite game?
my favorite game is cricket.
Do you help at home?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you cook food?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean it.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening.
Do you use a phone?
Yes, I use a phone.
Do you like YouTube?
Yes, I like YouTube.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
Do you like stories?
Yes, I love stories.
Do you write every day?
Yes, I write daily.
Do you like drawing?
Yes, I like drawing.
Do you like to sing?
Do you like to sing? Yes, I love singing.
Do you dance?
Yes, I like dancing.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you drink milk?
Do you drink milk? Yes, every day.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I like fruit.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I like bananas.
Do you like mangoes?
Yes, I love mangoes.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I eat rice.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables.
Do you eat meat?
Yes, I eat meat.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, I like fish.
Well, you eat everything. Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is your name?
My name is John. How old are you?
I am 25 years old. Are you married?
Yes, I'm married. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. What do you do?
I am a teacher. Yes,
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading novels.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee.
What is the weather like today?
It is sunny and warm.
Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak French.
What are you doing now?
I am practicing English.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling to new places.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a pilot.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like a pizza.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, an orange juice, please.
That sounds delicious.
Let's enjoy our meal.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to the beach.
That sounds fun.
Would you like to come with me?
Sure, I'd love to.
Great, let's leave early.
What time shall we meet?
Let's meet at 8 a.m.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Which country would you like to visit?
I'd love to visit Japan
Why Japan?
because it's beautiful and clean.
I hope you go there soon.
Thank you.
May I ask about your family?
I have a small and happy family.
Who are they?
There are 4 people, my parents, my sister, and me.
That sounds lovely.
Yes, we're very close.
Do you have any brothers?
Yes, I have one older brother.
What does he do?
He's a civil engineer.
Does he live with your family?
No, he lives in another city.
I see.
We talk every week.
What does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
And what about your mother?
She is a school teacher.
They must be proud of you.
They always encourage me.
That's wonderful.
I'm very grateful to them.
What did you study at university?
I studied English literature
Why did you choose that subject?
because I enjoy learning languages.
Was it difficult?
Sometimes, but it was very interesting.
That's great.
I learned a lot.
What do you do now?
I'm an English teacher.
Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love helping people learn English.
How long have you been teaching?
For about 5 years.
That's impressive.
Thank you.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak English and French.
Which language do you use every day?
I mostly speak English.
I'd like to learn French someday.
I'd be happy to teach you a few words.
Really? Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books and painting.
That sounds interesting.
What about you?
I love listening to music and traveling.
Those are wonderful hobbies.
They make me feel relaxed.
I feel the same about my hobbies.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Mine is pasta.
We should order both today.
A great idea.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but only a little.
Me too.
What do you usually drink with your meal?
I usually drink coffee.
I prefer orange juice.
That's a healthy choice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Maybe I'll try coffee next time.
I think you'll like it.
What's your favorite color?
I really like blue
Why blue?
because it makes me feel calm.
My favorite color is white.
White looks elegant.
I think so too. Which season do you like the most?
I love spring
Why do you like spring?
because the weather is pleasant and the flowers bloom.
Autumn is my favorite season.
Beautiful too.
I enjoy the cool weather.
I completely understand.
Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's his name?
His name is Max.
Is he friendly?
Very friendly and playful.
What time do you usually start your day?
I usually wake up at 7.
What's the first thing you do?
I drink a glass of water.
That's a healthy habit.
That's a healthy habit. Then I make breakfast.
That's a good way to start the day.
It gives me energy.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I spend time with my family.
Do you go out often?
Yes, sometimes we visit parks or cafes.
That sounds enjoyable.
We always have a great time.
Family time is very important.
I couldn't agree more.
John, tell me more about your parents.
Sure, my father is a businessman.
That's interesting.
My mother is a school teacher.
Now repeat every dialogue aloud. Practice every day and your English speaking will improve fast. Subscribe to this channel and let's master English together.